Unboxing of my Pop Mart Crying Baby X PPG. This is most requested by my niece. Shout out to you, EJ. We have two boxes. 1 and 2. Let's see what's inside the box. Let's start with this. Medyo bukas na siya. Since dapat bubuksan ko na siya, nire-request ng pamangkin ko, i-video ko yung unboxing niya. So this is for you, baby. Bubbles or Blossom. Oh my gosh! Ihiling niyo lang. Let's open it. How cute! Cute! We got bubbles. Next box. So, okay. Para makompleto ko na sila. So, meron na ako. Ito yung nakuha na natin. At ito. Kahit anong blossom mo kay It's time! Ang feel talaga. Ngayon, hindi ko natitingnan muna yung card. Surprise natin yung sarili natin. So, buksan na natin sabay-sabay para sabay-sabay tayong surprise! Please be blossom. Pero kahit ano. What the freak? Sobrang sabi ka. Tapos ang Powerpuff Girls journey natin. Kailangan natin mahanap talaga. Oh my gosh! Isang box to eh. Bagong box nila labas nila to. Tapos, what the frick? AJ, I'll give it to you. The other bubbles. I love ya. Bye!